First up, pulse squat with abduction. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart. Roll your shoulders back and brace your core. Sit back into a squat and pulse, then push back up to standing. Keep your hips square and facing forward. Extend your right leg out to the side of your body and back down. Keep repeating, alternating legs. Up next, lateral lunge with knee drive right. Keep your shoulders back and down and your core braced. Step one foot out to the side and send your hips back into a lateral lunge. Push back on your supporting leg and drive your knee up in front of your body. Step out into another lateral lunge and keep repeating. Up next, lateral lunge with knee drive left. Every rep is making you stronger and more powerful. Make each rep count. Up next, single leg glute bridge right. The way I feel about you, can't get enough. Everything you do. Lie on your back with your knees bent, feet planted hip width apart. Pick one leg up off the ground, tuck your tailbone under, and drive your hips up. Squeeze your glutes at the top and hold. Lower and repeat. Here we go. Up next, single leg glute bridge left. The way I feel about you, can't get enough. Everything you do, you turn me up. Right here, right now, is the place to be. When I got you moving next to me, the way I feel about you are doing what you need to do, and your body will thank you for it. Who's got this? You got this. I was searching for a love I never knew that I'd find us. I lost myself, but you get through. And now I know that I got it. Up next, pulse squat. Start with your feet hip-width apart. Sit your hips back like you're sitting into a chair. Keep your chest up high, keeping your weight in your heels and knees in line with your toes and core engaged. From the bottom of your squat, pulse up and down slightly and return to the top. Repeat. Adding the pulse is firing up your glutes. Keep the movement small and controlled. Up next, tuck jumps. Stand tall with your feet at hip width apart and your shoulders back and down. Spring up and down on the spot to create some momentum. On the second spring, explode up as high as you can, tucking your knees up in front of your body to waist height, and back down again to land both feet on the ground. The trick is to jump high and tuck fast. Repeat. Up next, pulse squat with abduction.
Here I go again, looking in your eyes, thinking damn, you're beautiful. And I remember when we were 17 and I thought you were super cool. Said I wasn't in love.
I see you working, I see you sweating, I see you smashing it.
Some things don't change, being with you. Trying to keep it together. I don't want you to go. Guessing it's now or never. Oh, well, there's something I wanna tell ya. There's something you gotta know. There's a feeling when we're together. Just like how friends are friends. That's what we know how to be. Done pretending. I need more of you for me.
Up next, lateral lunge with knee drive right.
After all this time, how was it you couldn't even read between the lines? Hiding in plain sight, scared of breaking all the rules, but it feels so right. Said I wasn't in love, won't deny my heart, you're the one I really want. But you still don't know, some things stay the same. Being with you, trying to keep it together. I don't want you to go.
I know you have more in the tank. Keep pushing through.
Well, there's something I wanna tell ya. There's something you gotta know. There's a feeling when we're together. Just like how friends are friends. That's what we know how to be. Done pretending. I need more of you for me. Na, 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 and I need you.
Up next, lateral lunge with knee drive left.
And I need you. Had the wildest parties, had hopes and fears. Kept the deepest secrets, those nights we shared. Guess you always know me, like I know myself. But there's one more secret I gotta tell. Well, there's something I wanna tell ya. There's something you gotta know.
It doesn't get easier, you just get stronger. Keep going.
Well, there's something I wanna tell ya. There's something you gotta know. There's a feeling when we're together. Just like how friends
Up next, single leg glute bridge right.
I like you, I really do. You see me, 'cause I see you. I like you, I really do. You see me.
I know you hate us right now, but we're with you. Come on.
I like you,
Up next, single leg glute bridge left.
see me, 'cause I see you. I like you, I really do. You see me, 'cause I see you.
I see you working so hard. Keep going.
Up next, pulse squat.
Look at you go. So proud of you.
Up next, tuck jumps.
This is your last set. Make it your best. Let's finish it off stronger than how we started. So proud of you.